Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a telephone that HG sent in from Delaware. HG always has great telephones. This is just a beautiful telephone, and he sent in the past some German post office telephones, and he always has really cool telephones. And this is a DTW telephone. It's not a German post office phone, he states. And you can see the little plug here. This is how they would connect it up to the line cord or to a jack. And that DTW, he says, stands for the German Telephone Works. And so it's a German telephone, and he says that a company in Canada kind of took over things from this DTW telephone company and or manufacturer. This is just a really cool telephone. Supposedly now this telephone has a sticker. It won an award in 1975 for the design, so it's a very cool telephone, and he always has really neat telephones that he sends in. You just don't see stuff like this. This is just really kind of wild, and I see it because I work on it, but this is the first one like this that I have seen, and he always comes up with something really unique. So that's very cool. And we're going to get a look at this telephone. I'll show you here real quick where that DTW tag is. I'm hoping you can make that out, but that's a good look at the telephone right there, and it's a very stylish type telephone, so it's very unique. And I have the cover off, so I'm going to pull this cover up real quick so that I can give you a look at the telephone on the inside. And this gives you some kind of idea of the way they manufactured their telephones in Germany. And they have some really cool ideals. You know, it's just a very cool telephone. So we're going to do a complete conversion of this telephone for home use. And when we get done with this, it'll have a different board in it, and we'll be able to dial in the tone mode. And these dials, I've noticed on some of these phones from different countries, they just kind of unplug. They have a little bracket that they sit on, and they just kind of unplug. So that gives you some kind of idea of what their dial looks like. And so anyway, this is just the initial checkout of this telephone. We're going to go through it a little bit, and then we're going to start a conversion on it and get this telephone into shape so that it can be used for a home telephone. And it's going to be a great telephone because what can no longer be used now the way it is, we're going to have a telephone. We're going to make a telephone out of it for modern day use, and this design is going to kind of live on, so it's not going to sit on a shelf somewhere. We're actually going to put this into working order, and it's really a cool telephone. HG always has really neat stuff that he sends in, so he does a lot of traveling back and forth from what I understand, and he locates this stuff and picks it up and kind of makes it live on, and that's a good insight. So anyway, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. I wanted to give you a look at a DTW telephone and give you some kind of idea what it looks like, and do a little video on it before we start our conversion. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.